So this is the closer look of our quadcopter, and we can see that here is we have already installed APM 2.5 with the telemetry system 433 MHz and the external GPS with a magnetometer, and we have our smartphone also. So this is our smartphone, and we have OTG cable connected with this telemetry transmitter. We just need to open it. We can show you. This is our transmitter, and this is our OTG cable. So we just need to connect it, and we will connect it through the smartphone. Like this. And your smartphone should support USB 2.0, otherwise it cannot power up the telemetry system. So you can see the Euro light is blinking, so that means it's transmitting the signal, and we will open it through the Droid Planner. There is several apps in the Google Store, so you can download it, Droid Planner or the Tower or the 3DI services, Solo. So several apps are there, and all of them are working almost in the same way, and the interface is almost the same. So there is one option is connect. You can see the connect option is there, and we can go through that. Here is the connect options. So next we just need to connect the power line of LiPo battery with the quadcopter power module APM 2.5, and we just open the ESC line for safety reason, because whenever it will arm, the prop will spin. So we're just connecting the APM 2.5, and you can see the light is blinking here. Okay, so in the transmitter, in the telemetry receiver, the red light is blinking, and in our smartphone, if we just want to connect it right now, we have to press the connect button, and it is connected. It is connected, and you can see there is the blue light is there, so that means the GPS is locked, and we can see the status of the quadcopter from here.
GPS 3D lock.
Yeah, it's a voice comment over here, and we can see the battery voltage, airtime, the signal strength, the satellite age stop, and how many satellite is there. So there is lot more information, and if we just want to arm it, there is one option called arm. So the quadcopter will not gonna fly without arming. So we are just going to arm this arm, and there will be a warning. So that's why we just open the ESC line. The propeller will spin. Okay. So failsafe is called one more time. So there must be some regions over here. 3D. Okay, the 3D age drop is 6. So maybe somehow for that reason it is not arming. Let's try again.
Arm. Waypoints received.
It's armed right now, and you can see there the red light is solid. So that's how you can arm your quadcopter. And there is one option, take off. So whenever you just click take off, it will climb to the 10-meter altitude. It's default variable set to the applications, and if you want to program it, there is lot more options like send mission and load missions and disconnect. So we will see step by step. There is editor option, and in editor option you can program your UAV. You can put the waypoints. So here's the interface, and we can program the quadcopter through this interface. So there is one option for add waypoint, and we are going to click on that. So we can select on any place. So first waypoint we just want to select as a takeoff. So we'll click anywhere, and the first waypoint, the default altitude is 20 meter. So we just want to take the actions as takeoff. So we will click the waypoint 1, and we can see there is options. In the drop down menu we will select the takeoff. So in the takeoff, it will take the altitude, and it is 10. So I will leave it there. So as the first waypoint choose as takeoff, it will fly to the altitude of 10 meter. And next, if you want to add another waypoint like this, first we have to click, and have to click it like this. So The second, it is set as a 20 meter. So the default waypoint altitude is already set in the application as 20 meter. So we can change it. We can change it if we click on this. So there is one window will open, and here we can select the altitude, and if we want to um, give some time to hold on that positions, so we can do it right here, the delay before next waypoint. So we can increase it like how much we want. Okay, so right now we are just going for 10-second position holding time. Okay, so it's set here, and we can also add some more waypoints like this. And as a seventh waypoint, if we would like to um, set the actions as return to launch, in that case we have to select the seventh waypoint, and here we will select the return to launch options here. So it is set to return to launch. Okay, so all set. Now we just need to send this mission to the APM 2.5. so send the mission.
Waypoint saved to drone.
So there is a voice comment over here, and it's just told us that the waypoint are saved on APM 2.5, so we are good to go. So next we will go on the flight data, and here another option is auto. So whenever we will press that auto button, the quadcopter will fly automatically and just follow the waypoints. So one more thing is that first, for starting your any kind of missions, you just check the checklist. So what are the parameters the quadcopter will check before fly, or before wants to go on auto missions. So if you can see, there is one problem is there with the GPS, as we are in our room. So GPS is not good. It's like 5 satellites are there. So when we will test it on the open area, it will be okay. Okay, so here we can also change the default altitude and everything. Battery voltage is there, battery level, battery current also is there. So you can see the battery current whenever it will fly. Okay, so let's go to the list, and also we can calibrate those things. I mean, the accelerometer we can calibrate. So we'll explain it next, but right now it's all set and we are good to go. So let's see you on testing phase. Okay, thank you.